Imagine this. Your phone is dead. No signal, no light, no help coming, and everything you normally rely on is useless. Now ask yourself one question. Are you actually prepared to survive, or just hoping you never have to? Because today, I'm showing you 11 survival gadgets that every man should have. Not for fun, not for show, but for the moment when things go wrong. Survival isn't about being paranoid. It's about being ready, whether it's a blackout, natural disaster, road emergency, hiking accident, or total grid failure. The right tools can mean the difference between panic and control, between danger and safety. These are real survival gadgets you can actually buy on Amazon, tested, practical, and built for real-life situations. Let's start.
Gadgets number 11, Tactical Survival Backpack. This isn't just a bag, this is your mobile survival base. A proper tactical survival backpack is built with military-grade materials, reinforced stitching, and heavy-duty zippers that won't fail when you need them most. Multiple compartments allow you to organize food, tools, medical gear, electronics, and clothing, so you're not wasting time digging when seconds matter. The MOLLE system lets you attach extra gear on the outside, knives, pouches, water bottles, turning the backpack into a fully customizable survival system. Gadgets number 10. Portable water filter straw. You can survive days without food, but without water, you're done. A survival water filter straw allows you to drink directly from rivers, lakes, puddles, even questionable water sources by removing bacteria, parasites, and harmful contaminants instantly. No batteries, no chemicals, no waiting. Just put it in the water and drink. In a disaster situation, clean water becomes more valuable than money. This tiny tool can literally save your life, whether you're lost outdoors, stuck after an earthquake, or facing a long-term emergency. Lightweight, compact, and reliable, this is one of the most important survival gadgets any man should own. Gadgets number 9. Emergency hand crank radio with power bank. When everything goes silent, information becomes survival. This emergency radio keeps you connected when phones die and power grids fail. With AM, FM, and NOAA weather alerts, you'll know about incoming storms, evacuation warnings, and emergency broadcasts in real time. The hand crank generator means no electricity needed. Crank it, get power. Most models also include a built-in flashlight, SOS alarm, and even a USB power bank to charge your phone when there's no outlet anywhere. In total darkness, in isolation, during chaos, this radio gives you knowledge, light, and communication. And in survival situations, knowledge is power. Gadgets number 8. Survival Multi-Tool. One tool, endless uses. A high-quality survival multi-tool combines pliers, knife, saw, screwdrivers, wire cutters, bottle opener, and more, all in one compact, durable body. Whether you're repairing gear, cutting rope, fixing equipment, or handling unexpected problems, this tool replaces an entire toolbox. Built with stainless steel and designed for hard use, it's meant to survive abuse, rain, dirt, impact without failing. In survival scenarios, versatility is everything. This tool ensures you're never helpless. Gadgets number 7. Tactical Flashlight. Darkness is dangerous. A tactical flashlight isn't just about light, it's about control. High lumen output lights up massive areas, allowing you to see threats, obstacles, and escape routes clearly. Strobe modes can disorient attackers. Reinforced aluminum bodies can even be used as a defensive tool if necessary. Rechargeable batteries mean long runtime, and many models are water-resistant or waterproof, making them reliable in extreme weather. When the lights go out, this is the light you trust. Gadgets number 6. Survival First Aid Trauma Kit. In a real emergency, help doesn't arrive in minutes. Sometimes it doesn't arrive at all. A survival trauma kit is the difference between a controllable injury and a fatal mistake. This is not a basic first aid pouch for small cuts. This is built for serious situations, heavy bleeding, deep wounds, broken skin, burns, and shock. Inside a proper survival trauma kit, you'll find tourniquets designed to stop massive blood loss, compression bandages that apply real pressure, sterile gauze for wound packing, trauma shears to cut through thick clothing, medical gloves, antiseptic wipes, and emergency dressings that work even when conditions are dirty and chaotic. In disasters, the most common cause of death isn't lack of food or water, it's uncontrolled bleeding. Accidents, natural disasters, collapsed buildings, outdoor injuries. This kit gives you the ability to act immediately, not panic, not wait. When you can stabilize yourself or someone else, you gain time. And in survival, time is everything. Gadget number 5. Fire Starter Kit. Fire is not optional. Fire is survival itself. A proper survival fire starter kit is designed to work when everything else fails. Rain, wind, cold, wet hands, freezing temperatures. Unlike cheap lighters that break or matches that get wet, a ferro rod or magnesium fire starter produces sparks hot enough to ignite tinder instantly. No fuel, no gas, just raw reliability. Fire gives you warmth when temperatures drop dangerously low. Fire allows you to cook food and kill bacteria in water. Fire keeps wild animals away. Fire gives light when darkness becomes dangerous. And most importantly, fire keeps your mind calm. People don't just freeze from cold, they freeze from panic. Fire restores control. This is why experienced survivalists say, if you can make fire, you can survive almost anywhere. Gadgets number 4. PARACORD Survival Bracelet. At first glance, it looks simple, almost too simple. But a survival paracord bracelet is one of the smartest backup tools you can carry because it's always with you, even when everything else is lost. That bracelet contains several feet of military-grade paracord, capable of supporting heavy weight. You can use it to build shelter, secure gear, repair equipment, create traps, tie splints, hang food, or even help in rescue situations. Gadgets number 3. Tactical Fixed Blade Survival Knife. A real survival knife is not a weapon, it's a problem-solving tool. In survival situations, you cut rope, carve wood, prepare food, build shelter, defend yourself, and improvise solutions with whatever you have. And a weak knife will fail you at the worst possible moment. A proper fixed-blade survival knife is full tang, meaning the blade runs through the entire handle, giving it maximum strength. It won't snap when batoning wood or applying pressure. The blade thickness allows heavy-duty work. The sharp edge handles precision tasks. The grip is designed to stay secure even when wet, muddy, or bloody. This knife becomes an extension of your hand. It turns chaos into manageable steps. Every serious survival setup starts with a reliable blade, because when tools fail, this one cannot. Gadgets number 2. Emergency Thermal Sleeping Bag. Cold is silent, and it kills fast. An emergency thermal sleeping bag reflects your body heat back to you, trapping warmth when temperatures drop and exposure becomes deadly. It's made from heat-reflective material used in survival rescue operations. Windproof, water-resistant, compact enough to fit in a pocket, yet powerful enough to save your life overnight. You don't need snow to die from cold. Rain plus wind plus exhaustion is enough. Gadget number 1. Portable Solar Power Bank. In today's world, power is no longer a luxury, it's a survival resource. A portable solar power bank turns sunlight into communication, navigation, light, and information. It allows you to charge your phone for emergency calls, GPS location sharing, flashlight usage, radio access, and stored survival information. It powers headlamps, emergency radios, and rechargeable tools when outlets don't exist. During long blackouts or grid failures, this device becomes priceless. No fuel required, no noise, no dependence. Survival isn't luck, it's preparation. When things go wrong, the right gear gives you control. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more real survival tools. Stay ready because emergencies don't wait.